Hi, this is Riley with Xkglow, and I want to introduce our new and improved truck tailgate light. The biggest difference of this light from our last generation is the one-piece design, giving it a bright and solid glow across the back of the truck. Whether you have a mid-size truck or full-size truck, we offer a 48-inch or 60-inch bar. We have covered all of the light functions with this bar, including the running lights, brakes, reverse, and hazard lights, along with integrated sequential turn signals. With its low profile construction, it is fully sealed to withstand any weather conditions. And you want to know the best part about this light? Install is an absolute breeze. The whole backside of the light is double-sided taped, or if you don't want to tape it on, we provide stainless hardware that the light can clip into. Unlike any other bars on the market, our light bar does not produce error codes. This is our third generation bar, which has given us the advantage to build an error canceling software into the light bar, so there's no need to worry about an external driver or having the headache of trying to hide one. The best in truck tailgate lighting is here.